Hi, good afternoon, Mr. Antonio Guterres, United Nations Secretary General. My name is Raja Rizwan Mushtaq, and I am making this video here, Birmingham, here in England, Birmingham, England, sorry. And today is 16th of July, 2025. Um, I just want to make a small video and just want to let you know that about the climate change and the global warming thing. Actually, I have invented back in 2010, March 2010. I applied for a patent, which you can produce enormous plenty of renewable energy, and I'm gonna attach a email with the actual patent and design and reference number with this email with the uh, so you can have a look, and all these separatist or all that polarization and the people world around fighting is somehow it got leaked and linked with this invention, I personally believe. But nevertheless, uh, if you have a look and forward it to give a instruction to your staff who these climate change section from United Nations Sustainable Development for the world. So you will see that the world will be much more prosperous and safe place to live. I'm, to be honest, quite nervous, and because there are lots of people onto me because they're supposed to be following or are supposed to be known by my this inventions, but I've been I don't know. Okay, please have a look. I even write it on a book and upload it to Kindle. I just only asking normally £9, $9, sorry, US dollar, $9 99, $10 actually. Uh, and I'm gonna link with the, and I also I'm gonna upload with link upload actual copy for freely the same book and the patents and all that freely on this. Only the intention is that to how to stop wars and the bloodshed and massacre. All this chaos is going on. Once it's gone to the people, once people knows that it world will be much more prosper, and because this invention is nothing to do with like we don't need a what you say any in you know uh, conscious oriented investment. It's actually purely financial or incentive or economical feasible uh, investment uh, facilitating I mean, this invention is that category goes go into that category, like the very thing that that f- that the fuel economy, because of the need, fuel economy is because it's viable and feasible. uh, it's more feasible and more economical for the end user, especially for industrial use. And it's not like a solar panels or rooftop solar panels or wind turbines. Big company, even that device can be installed by the big industrial complex, military complex, or car manufacturer, or chemical complex. Any big industry or refineries, even they can have their own uh, sugar mills, name it, even small village can have its own. So the world economy will go off the grid, and the fiat currency, dollars, or any link currency cannot be printed out of thin air, so called. So that's also one of the main problem. So what people know that the end user, any industrial, whether they are from USA, England, UK, Europe, Russia, Ukraine, Africa, Australia, you name it, Indonesia, Japan, it it works everywhere. So the private individual, private industry, private sector actually can use it. So please just have a look, and Rest it will follow automatically. The once is go, people will know how to make to how to build it. Once the blueprints and the diagrams go into the table of the engineers, anyone can then build it. That's not a difficult. So please have a look for all these wars will go away, and all that poverty, hunger, people will be far more richer, especially from the more sunshine countries like Africa, Latin America, all Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, all the way to Arctic Circle it works. Just please have a look. Try to make a small video, and to be honest, I'm very nervous also, because I'm not doubt about that. I firmly know that there's other people also watch who don't want to be. It should go into the mainstream, because this is like the actual how you say, um, the pinpoint, the location of the treasure. So all the rest of chaos is being just like a military grade smoke screen, deliberately to confuse people, to divert from the main source, main treasure. So that diagrams, that prints actually will take to the. So it's like Dubai or any Texas well, any well, can have much better than 10 times more economical than having our own oil or gas well in your backyard. So imagine that backyard is in a factory or a mining company, any mining curie, any minerals. So the cheap oil, cheap steel, any minerals, cheap metal, aluminium, tons of it, everything goes with it. So okay, sir. Hopefully, I will hear from you. Thank you very much, sir. Bye bye.